Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can book for medical examinations for your visa application. So if you have recently applied for your visa and you are willing to book a medical test to complete your visa application process, then this video is for you. Before you start booking for your medical examinations, you will need a HAP ID, which is a 8-digit number that is provided to you after you submit your visa application. Once you submit your visa application, you will receive an email with the referral letter for your medical examination, and that referral letter will contain the HAP ID. But if you want to complete your health examination before applying for the visa, then there is an option to do so. Let me show you how you can complete your health declaration before applying for visa. Then we will talk about booking for the medical test. So if you want to complete the health declaration before applying for the visa, then after you log into your IME account, you can see new application section on the top left corner. Click on new application, and inside new application you can see health. Click on health and you can see my health declarations. So from this health declaration, you will be able to complete your medical test even before you apply for your visa. So once you check this box and do next, then you will be asked to give the which visa you want to apply. For example, if you are trying to apply for the temporary graduate visa, then you can click here, or you can select based on your situation. Now, have you already applied for the visa? It is asking so. It is no in this case. Then next. Then there is the form to fill that will ask you for your name, your passport details and other personal details. Then once you complete this form, then you will be provided with the HAP ID, and you can use that HAP ID to do the medical examinations. But if you have already applied for the visa and you have HAP ID ready, then you can book for medical examination. And to book for the medical examination, there is separate method if you are in Australia or if you are outside of Australia. So if you are inside Australia, then you can book your medical examinations through Bupa medical visa services. Otherwise, if you are outside of Australia, then you will have to look for the centers where you can get your medical examinations done. Now I will show you both the ways by which you can book for your medical visa examination. First, let's see if you are in Australia and how you can book for the medical examinations. So you have to go to Bupa medical visa services if you are in Australia, and this is the service where which you have to use to book for the medical examinations. You can simply go to Google and search for Bupa medical services. Then you can reach to this page. And in this page you can see make an appointment section, and if you click on make an appointment, then you can select whether you are booking for yourself or for your whole family. Then you can select according to your situation. Now if you type your postcode, then it will give the centers that are near to you. You can select any one center that is near to you and you can do next. Now you have to select what type of medical examination you are going to book for. So it depends upon your type of visa, and you can find the details of medical examinations needed by looking at your referral letter. So in most cases, for example in the student visa, there is requirement for the medical examination 501 and chest x-ray 502, but in some cases you might not require chest x-ray, or you might require HIV test or some other test. So make sure you check your HAP ID document to find out which medical test you are going to book. So once you select the required medical test, then you can do next, and now you can select your appropriate time and do next. And now in this form you have to fill your HAP ID, your name, your passport number and your other related personal informations. And once you complete this form and do next, then you will be able to book for the medical examinations. Now let's see, if you are outside of Australia and you want to book for the medical examinations, then how you can do that. So if you go to this page which says arrange your health examinations, I will put the link for this page in the description box below, so you can check there. And when you reach this page, arrange your health examinations, then if you go down, there is an information about how you can book your medical examination if you are outside Australia. So if you read this information and if you click on immigration offices nearest to you, then you can find out the centers from which you can do your medical test. When you select the country, for example, I am selecting Nepal, then there are three options given: Australian Biometric Collection Center, Panel Physician and Police Sec. So the centers that do the medical examinations are under Panel Physician. So if you go to details, then you can find out which places or which medical centers they are doing the medical examinations for visa purpose. You can find here, you can get the list and choose the appropriate center, and you can go to their website and book your medical test from there. That's how you can book for your medical examinations. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you find this video useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.